All right, guys, I'm here with Jeremy Waller from Niles Steel Tank. Jeremy, Niles has been part of Bradford White since 2002. You guys produce a ton of tanks in different forms for hydronics, different applications for heating systems, all different sizes, and mostly they've been out of carbon steel until now, right?
Yes.
So you guys are investing, or fully invested in producing stainless steel tanks, so a completely separate facility. Where are you guys at, in Michigan?
We're in Niles, Michigan,
okay,
a little bit north of Notre Dame.
So you guys are producing tanks right here in the U.S. using U.S. labor, U.S. source trained people. All materials are coming from all over the world, I'm sure, but you're putting your tanks, building and designing your tanks right in Michigan then.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
Absolutely.
So this is a new tank you got on display, stainless steel, primarily going to be used like as a buffer in a hydronic heating system, big commercial stuff, right?
Correct. Absolutely, yes.
Where is the stainless probably, or where are you guys moving in the line of, evolution of the stainless for you guys? What kind of industries are you trying to get into with this type of product?
Well, the nice thing is there's a lot of variation in the industry. So you can go from the hydronic side, you can get into the chemical industry, pharmaceutical. It's a great stepping stone into those areas to be able to manufacture out of stainless steel. The difference is it's just in the processing. So whether you're going into hydronics and doing the passivation system for it, or you're going into pharmaceutical where you need the mirror finish, it just depends on what you have to do to finish it. So the nice thing is it's a great stepping stone for us. We've got 85,000 square foot facility to actually manufacture this in. So it's fantastic from that sense that now we have the ability to do something that's well within our wheelhouse, but we just didn't have the ability to do it because we need that segregation from carbon to stainless.
For your customers are demanding that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's an absolute requirement on a lot of the pharmaceutical, a lot of the chemical industry. You do not want the carbon and the stainless in the same facility because of the contamination capabilities. So keeping it separate makes it so that it's a pure material. Again, there's no potential for contamination on it, and it makes a very nice product when you're done.
That's awesome. So what's the largest tank that Niles produces?
Right now we can produce about a 40,000 gallon tank.
40,000 gallons?
Yes.
You're kidding me.
It's pretty incredible to watch.
You drive a truck inside that thing?
You could, absolutely could.
That's crazy.
It's awesome. It's
all right,
so neat
Jeremy,
to see them.
Thank you, man.
Absolutely, thank you, appreciate it.
All right, so we're at our last stop here at the Bradford White whole pavilion at AHR. We're at LAARS with Chuck O'Donnell. Chuck, this is LAARS' entrance, first premiere into Firetube for commercial application. You guys have been a water tube boiler company for a very long time, really high-end products. First Firetube for you guys?
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of feedback from our customers. They like our water tube products, but a lot of what is going in these days is Firetube.
Yeah.
And that's mainly for the variable primary piping arrangements that are being used in the field.
So it's more flexible for various installations.
Yes.
Obviously these products are engineered, being put in as spec by the engineer, but you're offering some really cool features. Let's open this thing up and look at it. Well,
sure.
You've got your touchscreen control that you guys have had on previous models, right?
Right, we do. And so that was one of the themes. We wanted to keep it so if you learned one LAARS boiler, you would know how to use all of them. It has a lot of nice heads-up information.
It is. It's very nice looking control. So I can just pull that open, and you've got everything service tech needs right in front.
Right, and again, that's one of the things we like to do is get a lot of information back from the techs in the field, as well as the engineers. So your low voltage section, your controls, high voltage separated down here for safety. And then this door does swing open for access in the back there.
For your gas, all your controls, things like that.
Yep.
This is physically huge. What are the size capabilities you've got?
Yeah, well, it goes from 1 million up to 3 million BTUs.
Yeah.
And it's 20 to 1 turn down on all sizes. And then we also have oxygen feedback loop in it, so kind of like your automobile. So it's always, no matter what the turn down or what it's doing, the combustion is spot on.
Yeah, it's going to burn as efficient and as safe as possible.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, Chuck.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
All right, guys, that's our last stop here at the Bradford White booth. If you enjoyed what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button. Follow us along as we do our Hub on the Road series at AHR 2020.